It's Apple Watch versus Pixel Watch in a head-to-head battle for your wrist, both boasting advanced LTPO OLED for rich colors and efficiency. Apple's larger display gives you more room for apps and notifications. Pixel strikes back with a higher resolution for sharper on-screen details. That sharpness is confirmed by Pixel's higher pixel density, making text crisp. Pixel's 3000 nits peak brightness is the clear winner for sunny day visibility. It's a tie on refresh rate. Both offer a smooth 60 Hz for fluid scrolling. Both support an always-on display, so the time is always visible at a glance. For battery, Pixel's larger capacity promises far greater endurance. Pixel nearly doubles Apple's typical usage, a huge win for daily wear. In power saver mode, Pixel dominates, lasting up to 72 hours. Pixel also charges faster, hitting 50% in just 15 minutes for a quick boost. For software, it's Apple's polished watchOS versus Google's versatile Wear OS. Both use powerful custom chips, guaranteeing top-tier performance. Apple leads with 64 GB of storage for more offline music and apps. Apple's Sapphire and Titanium build offers a more premium, durable feel. The Apple Watch is also thinner, making for a sleeker and more comfortable fit. Weight is a tie, with both feeling light and unobtrusive on the wrist. Both have robust water resistance, making them perfect swim-proof companions. Apple's wider satellite support means faster, more accurate global tracking. It's a tie. Both have advanced heart rate sensors for reliable tracking. Both also include blood oxygen sensors to help you keep tabs on your vitals. Sensor arrays are comprehensive on both for total health and safety tracking. Pixel's next-gen Bluetooth and Wi-Fi deliver faster, more reliable connections. NFC for contactless pay is a tie, making payments a breeze on both. Both support Bluetooth calling, so you can take calls directly from your wrist. Ultra-wideband is a tie, enabling precision finding for your other devices. Both offer 24/7 heart rate monitoring for a complete picture of your health. For fitness, it's Apple's integrated ecosystem versus Pixel's powerful Fitbit insights. Finally, Pixel's lower price is a knockout blow, offering incredible value. Thank you very much for watching.